Hey there, crocheters. Do you like to crochet something new, something quick, and maybe a little something different each month? Well, I've got just the box for you. This is called a Woolen Yarn Box, and it's an adventure to all the places you knit, crochet, and make all day. This is a fun yarn kit that comes with a knitting pattern and a crocheting pattern, and it's all from hand-dyed yarn. This month, one of my patterns is the featured crochet pattern in this box. They kindly sent me one so I could test it out and share it with you guys. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, open it up. Ooh, here we got a little card. It's called from the Woolen Derby. Inside, we have a soy wax candle, essential oil fragrance. Oh, that's probably what's in the candle. Some lotion bar, a most style. Dryer's done, or washer. So there's a bunch of fun derby inspired patterns, like, the horse derby. What's that called? What's it called? Derby. You know what I'm talking about. Yes, of course. It's this up here. How could I forget? Okay, so let's see. Inside, it says we're off to the races. Put on your most extravagant fascinator hat, sip a mint julep, and bring your luckiest attitude. We're knitting and crocheting at the Derby. What's it called? The Louisville Derby? Ah, at the Kentucky Derby. Got it. Okay, so let's open it up. And inside we see right away, we have my pattern. It is the Cozy Alpine Plant Pot cover. Look at that cute little thing. It uses the alpine stitch in the round to create just like a little 4-inch pot, I think. These are perfect to give for like teacher gifts or, to your friend, or a May Day gift, something like that. Or just to have around your house, of course. But I was so excited when they reached out to ask if they can include my pattern in this box. Let's see what yarn they have chosen for this. We open it up and oh my goodness gracious. Here's the yarn. It's called a Woolen Derby, and the yarn is from Woolen Women Fibers. That's who puts this box together. It's the Woolen Women Fibers. It is so fun. It reminds me probably of a derby. It's like peach and then these kind of rainbowy speckles. So fun. We'll get a close-up of that later. And then inside the box, there are all sorts of other fun goodies. Like here, it's like a little keychain or huge stitch marker. A recipe for a mint julep. This is cute. It's wooden. Love that. And then we have some other stitch markers from Sam's Tiny Trinkets. And these are like derby themed. There's like a rose and horse. Let me get this out of there. Oh, these are adorable. Oh, look, it's a mint julep and a rose and a horse. Maybe that's sea biscuit. Who knows? That's adorable. Okay, let's put this stuff up here. We have those and our mint julep. Look at that. What else do we have? Okay, we have the Freedom Rose. This is a soy wax candle, hand poured. This smells so good. Bohemian Rose, Honeysuckle, and Magnolia. You gotta try that. And what else? Some more stitch markers. Oh, this is adorable. The first ones were like wooden. Maybe they were like painted or imprinted on top. These ones are more, probably can't hear me when that's rustling. These ones are more like clay, I think. So we have a horseshoe, and I think this is another mint julep drink. I'm sensing a theme here. Stay. And then here is the lotion bar, lanolin lotion bar. It's called the Most Stylish Hat. I should be wearing a derby hat. Pause. This is my Elizabeth Sun hat that I did for the Crochet Gallery magazine, and I'll be putting it on my website here soon. I used some hat wire in here, but maybe I gotta use something different because it's shape over time. Okay, that might look silly with my ponytail in it. Okay, let's get back to it. And then here is the lotion bar, lanolin lotion bar. It's called the most stylish hat. You like my hat? Smell is honeysuckle, jasmine, and lemon. Okay. Ooh. Smell the honeysuckle. There's jasmine and lemon. Okay. Lanolin, shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, essential oils for fragrance. Okay, I've never used a lotion bar. So do you just like go like that? Hands are so dry. A red flag warning around here, which in the mountains means no campfires because it is so dry. I feel it. It's usually quite humid here. Lotion bar. Yoop. And then, of course, because as crocheters and knitters and, you know, women, we need to have a little project bag. So this is just for a small little project, you know, like the Cozy Alpine Plant Pot cover, small little project where you just have your skein of yarn, your scissors, your yarn, your whatever that you can just pack up. And then you have all your crochet stuff right on the go. This is so cute. It's got all of the fascinator hats that you would see at the Kentucky Derby. That's so fun. Which one would you wear? This one's kind of like my pink one. Oh, I like this yellow one. This is fancy. But maybe I'd wear something like that. Because it's like fancy, but also understated. So this is adorable. It also says Woolen Women Fiber Company. So go get yourself a box here. I'll put my affiliate link below. You can sign up for the subscription box. Make sure that you get a Woolen Yarn Box subscription. That's what this is called. I'm going to link to it. Make sure you get that. So friends, what do you think of this great Woolen Yarn Box? I'm excited. I think I might have to do another video where I use this yarn to make a plant pot cover. So stay tuned for that. Go and get this yummy, yummy yarn. Ooh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So tell me, are you signing up for one of these boxes right now? Are you gonna do the crochet version or the knit version, which is a different pattern? I think it's the hat pattern. Let me know in the comments. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure that you are because we have a lot of yarn related content and it's so much fun around here. Please like this video and share it with your crochet friends. Happy crocheting!